Welcome back. My name is Dr. Baird, and today we'll be discussing how to fix knee pain when performing the reverse lunge. And in particular, we'll be focusing on that back leg. And in that back leg, we'll be talking about knee pain that's in the back of the knee. So sometimes you can get a little stretch or pull in the front of the knee. That's going to be a different video. Today, we're discussing knee pain in the back leg, in the back of the knee. It almost feels like it's in that joint. And that's because a lot of times it is in that joint. And what can happen, especially in adults as they get older, is your meniscus can be a little damaged. It can flip up. You can have small tears. And it's all about that angle. When you perform that reverse lunge, there's something about that angle. It just irritates the crap out of that meniscus, and it prevents you from doing the reverse lunge. So let me show you 3 things you can do so you're still able to perform this movement to build strength to solve your knee pain. The first workaround is to simply drop your knee all the way to the ground. So this sort of knee pain that happens in the back of the back leg happens usually when we drop that knee and our knee gets close to the ground. I actually have a little bit of this pain right now, and I can feel it right when I get about there. It starts to pinch, but I can get rid of it by using a towel or using a pad. And when I come down, just allow myself to drop that knee all the way to the ground. Remember, the reverse lunge is all about strengthening this front leg, so it's not as important what we do with this back leg, but this helps us avoid irritating that meniscus, press off the front leg, come to the standing position, and this allows me to do my reverse lunge without irritating that knee pain. The next thing that you can do is simply elevate the front leg. So here I got 3 yoga blocks. I'm going to put my front leg on top. I'm going to bring the back leg back and sink down, and what this does is it allows me to perform the reverse lunge, but my back leg is relatively straight, so it doesn't get to that angle that really irritates the knee. So what it looks like is reverse lunge, sink down over this front leg, press up over the front leg, come to a standing position, and back down. And the third option is to use some assistance. So this is where something like a TRX can come in handy, or a rubber resistance band. And it does a few things for helping with the reverse lunge. One, it helps me control the movement. So I can control the angle of my knee and find what's comfortable for me. And then again, same thing, press up off that front leg, use as much of my hands as I need to. And it allows me to actually flip my foot over. So as I'm performing that lunge, instead of landing on my toe and coming down, I can flip my foot over and then land on the top side of my foot. And you'll find that that helps you avoid that angle that's really irritating in the back of the leg. And from there, again, pressing up my front leg, using as much hands as you want. But again, ideally, it's mostly that front leg doing it. There you have it. There's 3 workarounds that'll allow you to get the benefits of the reverse lunge without irritating knee pain in the backside of that back leg. Remember, the reverse lunge is a really great movement to help limit impact that goes through your knee to help with knee pain and arthritis. The last thing we want to do is aggravate any sort of meniscus or knee pain issues. And so this is a nice workaround that allows you to get the benefits without causing any more damage. That's all I got for you today. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.